Essential.
Inspirational.
Transformative.
Great.
Refreshing.
Shaping.
Growth.
Valuable.
Empowering.
When I think that I chose the right program was
When I realized our manager, Sergio, was actually very excited, he couldn't stop smiling.
there are a lot of opportunities here.
Everything has a purpose.
Felt already like a home, like everyone was excited to see us.
A pre-employment is our way of shaping what's next. Instead of waiting for talent to arrive fully formed, we create the conditions for students to grow with us, learning our engineering principles, understanding our culture, and building the confidence through hands-on experience. This creates for our teams a pipeline of people ready to join, already aligned with our ways of working.
I wanted to learn how to innovate.
This is the perfect way to bridge that gap between theory and practice.
I wanted to gain more experience.
I wanted an environment where I could grow, to be a part of this community.
Because here there are a lot of great opportunities to work on real world problems.
If I were to describe the other people here, I would use the word energetic.
Professional.
Very supportive.
Invested.
Complex.
Welcoming.
Collaborative.
Passionate.
They are fun.
Students bring fresh energy and an instinctively innovative mindset. They ask bold questions, challenge assumptions, and explore new ideas without being limited by past experiences. Their curiosity adds momentum to our teams that are already dynamic, helping us push the boundaries for our clients. We grow faster by combining their curiosity with the experience of our seasoned engineers.
While in university it was more focused on getting results and obtaining the right answer, this program helped me understand better how to think about the problem.
As a teaching assistant, I can give back to my students what I learned here.
It gave me a chance to work with actual technologies that are actually used in nowadays products.
I had a chance to apply the theory in a supportive environment.
It's not about the grades, it's about the impact.
I would describe the experience with the mentors using the words helpful, also clear and supportive.
Inspiring, motivating, and humbling.
Challenging, thoughtful, and relaxed.
Impactful, motivational, and collaborative.
An AI-first mindset enables our emerging engineers to understand how business innovate. By weaving AI into their day-to-day learning, we help them see technology as a tool for connection, problem solving, and impact, core elements of our employee value proposition.
Being a great developer isn't about knowing all the answers, but actually knowing how to unblock yourself and your team.
Honestly, I didn't expect to improve my communication skills so much, but I did through teamwork and also meeting deadlines.
Asking questions. The skill to own it.
Time management.
Adaptability.
How to work properly with LLMs and how to integrate them in my day-to-day workflow.
It showed me how much clean structure improves long-term productivity.
While before I was focused more on finishing the task and implementing a feature, now I think more about how to scale that feature and how I would implement it in a scalable and easy to maintain project.
It's always better to make something that it is reusable.
I used to think that writing clean code means following some rules, but somehow it's more about empathy, writing code so that the next developer who reads it next 6 months won't want to pull their hair out.
When you write clean code only to yourself, of course it's clean. I've become really confident using React, and I'm really eager to start building user-friendly interfaces with it.
Well, TypeScript combined with agentic AI, it helped me become very fast and efficient.
AI-assisted coding with GitHub Copilot.
GitHub Copilot.
Python with Fast API.
React.
Agentic workflow.
JavaScript with AI support for exploring better solutions.
Technology is evolving quickly, so companies need talent that evolve with it. Students come eager to learn, adapt, and contribute in a meaningful way. Investing in them builds resilient and future-ready teams. It also helps the technology ecosystem in Romania by opening opportunities to communities and emerging talent.
I feel confident because I exercise not only writing code, but also meeting deadlines and working with teammates.
I've mastered the fundamentals, and I've also learned how to collaborate better with other people.
Any project-specific knowledge can be built on top of a healthy base.
The practical exercises and continuous feedback.
Clean coding principles that I've developed.
Making mistakes in this safe environment.
Because it bridges the gap between university knowledge and real industry experience.
It accelerates your growth.
If a person wants to learn and develop in a very nice environment, I think this is the place to be.
You will always find your spot.
It prepares you for real work and not just theory.